Hi everyone. First of all, thank you for watching this video. So if you're someone who is new to this channel, please do subscribe, like and share so that you'll get further business analyst videos from my end. So so we are going to kickstart new batch for business analyst very soon. So interested candidates can contact this number. And with that being said, so the topic for today is 40 days course or duration is enough to secure to complete the job, and within 60 days can candidate can secure a job. This is the topic for today. Definitely yes guys, because I'm going to target on functional business analyst, so you need to aware the difference between functional business analyst versus technical business analyst. So functional business analyst does not require any coding, so absolutely one can survive without coding, so that is called functional business analyst. And whereas we have technical business analyst, which requires Python, SQL, Tableau, okay, Power BI. So along with the functional business analyst skill set, they also need to have a thorough knowledge on technical part, whatever I specified now. So compared to technical business analyst, in the market, you will find many openings on functional business analyst guys. Okay, so I'm also going to train on functional business analyst only. So that's the reason this course is going to complete within 40 days. Okay. And yeah, so I would like to lay down like what exactly I'm going to cover in this 40 days. The benefits you'll get by joining on my course was like, first of all, like as I said that in my previous videos also I have told you and told and I also made so many videos, and I uploaded a few videos of real time where I made real time sessions and uploaded in my YouTube channel. You can check out. So first of all, I can say that joining on my session, you will get a completely hands-on experience, practical experience. Okay, so first thing, you will get practical experience completely from day 1 to day 40. You will get completely practical experience. Okay, this is the one thing, and the next thing is you will get a case studies, and the most popular demanding in the IT sector domains were called banking and healthcare. From that, I'm going to pick a project and I will make the aspirants, whoever is joining in my session, I will make them do. Okay, so this banking and healthcare is evergreen. So most of the openings were had on banking and healthcare domains. And so you will definitely will find the trainers who provides a business analyst, but very rarely you will come across a business analyst trainer explaining banking and healthcare domains. Okay, so I was going to cover on this banking and healthcare domains, guys, as it is evergreen and there are so much openings on that for a business analyst. And the third thing is, so you will definitely get job support from my end, which includes mock interviews, job referrals, resume preparation, interview preparations, everything will be included. And in case if you are also looking for any kind of re-explanation post completion of our course, you are always welcome. Okay, I will be adding in the new batch so that you can understand once again uh, if you are looking for any re-explanation with the concept, guys. Okay, that support also I will be there. And moreover, I will be there as a trainer for a long term, guys. Okay, it's not like I will be continuing this journey only till the completion of the course. No, definitely not. As a trainer, definitely I will be there for a long term. Okay, you can always approach me. So once you secured a job, if you're having any issues in the organization, if you're not able to do, even though I can ready to help you guys, so you can contact me. I can help you with that job support as well. Okay. And the main objective of this video was, if you are someone who joined on my course, I will be completing in the 40 days of duration, and post 60 days or 70 days, if you are determined from starting from beginning of the course, if you are determined, okay, if you complete the task, whatever the assignments or task I am assigning on daily basis as a part of the course, and if you're determined, I'm sure that you can able to secure the job of a business analyst within 60 or 70 days, guys, not more than that. So it requires where you need to put so much of effort and you need to be determined. So if you're someone who was casual, definitely you cannot achieve in the targeted dates, like 60 to 70 days you cannot achieve. You might be receiving a job, but If you are really firmly determined candidate, I'm sure that this can be the duration where you can set and you can secure a job. And many people were approaching me that they were wanting to transition their career from non-IT to the IT sector. So the expected salary when it comes to transitioning from non-IT to the as a business analyst. So if you're someone who has 2 to 3 years of experience in non-IT and wanting to transition as a business analyst, your expected package would be 7 to 8 LPA. Okay. And if you're someone who has 3 to 5, your expected salary will be, sorry, CTC will be 9 to 15 LPA. And if you are someone who hold 5 to 7 years of experience, non-IT or any career experience, you may get 15 to 22 LPA, guys. So this is the uh, ideal salary range of a business analyst. And the salaries will be almost equivalent to the developers, guys. Okay. Though you are not going to code, though you are not going to do anything, but the kind of demand for business analyst was very huge in the IT sector. Okay. So I hope this video helped you. I hope this video helped you a lot. And interested candidates can contact to this number. We are starting new batch.